Mona follow me.
I'm in trouble. That's my woman.
Don't worry.
That one ya henye ya mi so.
Officer, they want to shoot. We are going to arrest Mona.
It's not an easy job.
I beg, if you get out there, bring her home. Right.
Officer, I don't see my wife.
That's your wife.
You can't find her. Yeah, I can't find her. What is going on?
Take where?
You die. You don't come here. Don't come here. I waste our time. Don't waste our time.
Oh my God.
Don't know.
What's going on here?
Where you from? Come.
I said what's going on here? So you don't know. You brought this imbecile to my house.
Yes!
So arrest Muji.
Arrest her, officer. Arrest her. This one nice.
You brought us.
You don't tell us say now we get different cases for which I'm normal human being. You understand me? We'll take care of this. Officer Mark, sir, pick her. You know. Officer Walk. Officer Walk.
This girl.
Oh my God.
No, we'll later.
Yes!